In this tutorial, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with AWS EC2 instances. AWS EC2 stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. It's a web service provided by Amazon Web Services, AWS, that allows you to rent virtual servers in the cloud. These virtual servers are called EC2 instances. Just like you rent a physical server from a hosting provider, with EC2, you're renting virtual servers. These virtual servers, or instances, run on Amazon's massive infrastructure of servers located in data centers around the world. EC2 offers various types of instances with different combinations of CPU, memory, storage, and networking capacity. You can choose the instance type that best fits your workload requirements. You can choose the operating system, e.g., Linux, Windows, and software configuration for your EC2 instances. EBS provides block-level storage volumes that you can attach to your EC2 instances. These volumes persist independently from the instance, allowing you to store data even if the instance is terminated. Security groups act as virtual firewalls for your EC2 instances, controlling inbound and outbound traffic. You can define rules to allow or deny specific types of traffic based on protocols, ports, and IP addresses. Use cases includes web hosting, host websites and web applications on EC2 instances. Application development, develop and test applications in a cloud-based environment. Big data processing, process large datasets using EC2 instances for tasks like data analytics and machine learning. High-performance computing, run high-performance computing, HPC, workloads on EC2 instances for scientific research and engineering simulations. With EC2, you only pay for the computing resources you use, on an hourly or per second basis, depending on the instance type. This pay-as-you-go pricing model allows you to scale your infrastructure up or down based on demand without any upfront costs or long-term commitments. In summary, AWS EC2 instances provide scalable, on-demand virtual servers in the cloud. You can choose the instance type, operating system, and configuration that best suits your needs, and only pay for the resources you use. It's a flexible and cost-effective solution for running applications and workloads in the cloud. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next one.